I'm John Shull. My job title is Research Scientist in Magic here at RIT's Center for Media Arts, Games, Interaction, and Creativity. We are a global network of volunteers collaborating over the internet to use 3D printers to make prosthetic hands and arms, mostly for children born without, and we're giving them away for free. We are designing hands, redesigning hands, printing hands, assembling hands, delivering hands, and teaching how to do what we figured out how to do, which is to produce devices that are considerably better than nothing, that kids absolutely love because it turns them into superheroes. And we're introducing a new solution to a problem that has not really been solved by commercial medical industries. I created a Google map and I put a comment saying, if you have a printer and you want to help make hands, put a pin on this map. And if you need a hand, put a pin on this map. I think this week we're going to cross the 3,000 member mark in our Google Plus community. I think one of the fascinating things about the E-nable community is that it may be a model for a new way of thinking about how people collaborate and how people help their neighbors in the global village. This turns out to be one of the fastest moving research and development skunk works that any of us have ever seen. These are all volunteers ranging from high schoolers who just think this is really cool to professional designers and engineers, prosthetists, and everyone in between. And they're all just throwing their ideas into the community without concern for ownership. And as a result, we're generating innovations and designs and essentially products which are, I'll say, non-commercially viable because we're not trying to sell them. With 3D printers, you can think of a shape and a design, and within a day you can actually have a manufactured object that has that particular shape and that particular design. And you can do it either by learning some additional skills like 3D design, or by learning the skill of communicating with someone who already knows how to do 3D design. So kids are, whether they know it or not, and this is how they will learn it, are being born into a world in which good ideas can become real through collaboration using technologies that used to be unavailable and are about to become inexpensive and ubiquitous. That's a very big deal. You know, there's nothing more rewarding than making a kid smile. And in this case, we get to make the kids smile, we get the parents to cry, we get everyone else to feel really great about it, and the kids themselves become a part of the process. I like to say to these kids, now remember, with great hands comes great responsibility, right? This year you're getting a hand, next year you may get a 3D printer, and then I want you to start making hands and designing solutions for other kids. It's a hugely rewarding business, and there's no better way to invest in the future, and no more rewarding way to invest in the future than to try to share these opportunities with little children.